Elizabeth Hurley's latest sizzling swimsuit picture takes leopard print to another level. Elizabeth Hurley has never shied away from animal print in her sartorial agenda. And when she combines it with her flair for striking swimsuit photos, the results are nothing short of stunning. On Tuesday, the 60-year-old took to her Instagram story to share 2 photos of herself modeling leopard print swimsuits from her beachwear brand. In the first image, she poses in a lush jungle setting, arms raised with a radiant smile, wearing the Savannah one-piece cheetah, a halter neck swimsuit with a daring, plunging neckline. The next snap shows her in the Fortuna one-piece leopard, featuring a strapless bandeau neckline for an elegant look, posing in front of a white backdrop. The star's sculpted physique is courtesy of her love for the outdoors. I love working in my garden and am never happier than when wielding a strimmer. I walk my dogs a lot too, she previously told Mail Online, adding, I don't do any set exercise but can't sit still for long. She incorporates a half-hour walk into her daily routine, but also likes to mix in core-focused workouts like Pilates and yoga to help tone her muscles. I think it's important to stay sort of firm, she told E! News previously. I don't go to the gym, but I don't lie around on the sofa. Last year, Elizabeth revealed to the Sydney Morning Herald that her secret to maintaining a toned body is avoiding processed foods. I don't subscribe to fad diets, she shared with the publication. My tastes are pretty simple. I don't drink weird green juices or anything like that. I've always watched what I eat. Since forever. I've never wanted to eat processed food. Right back to my teens, I've always looked at the labels on food, she continued. I cut all that out over a year ago. I just eat what I would say is very normal, which could be roast chicken, mashed potatoes, and a couple of different vegetables. It's definitely not anything newfangled or weird. I don't go to the gym, but I'm very active. I don't really sit still very much, but I do a lot of gardening. That's quite bendy downy, picking stuff up. Elizabeth was thrust into the limelight on May 11, 1994, when she attended the premiere of 4 Weddings and a Funeral alongside her former boyfriend, Hugh Grant. Her overnight fame was courtesy of her iconic outfit choice, as the actress sported a gilded Versace couture maxi dress.